Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HMD Skyline and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store applications are not visible on your store. If you have the same problem as mine, you search your game but you can't download it, go back to the main menu and tap on your photo on the right corner. In its settings, family and parental control, which is on, as you can see. To fix our problem, we need to change it from page 3 to more page. To do that, tap on it, enter lock screen, enter your connect pin to your parental control, and there we can change it for page 3 to maybe allow unincluded underrated, confirm by understood and save. You can also turn off all your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!